Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the Python file handling. File handling is nothing but storing of data in a file, and this Python supports the file handling. That means that allows the user to handle the files. That is, the user can read, write and append along with many other file handling options. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. Okay, in this file handling, basically you had to know about three functions: read, write, open, close. These read, open and close are the functions, and read and write are the modes. Okay, the read mode can be denoted by using R, and the write mode can be denoted by using W. Okay, let's see how the functions are working. First, if you want to read or write the file, you have to open that file. So open the file name, .txt. Then along with which mode we are going to, which operation we are going to do. I'm going to write the file. Okay, then want to store the file into some variable, file object, this variable. Then which content we are going to add, that should be right here. Okay, write of good morning. Okay, after writing the file, we should close the file, dot close off. Okay, then save the file, run. Yeah, the file is executed successfully. Then I'm going to open the file. This is a file. Okay, good morning. This is the content. This content has come inside the file. If you want to write the files, if you want to write something inside the file, we should, after writing, we should close the file. Okay, otherwise it will not work. If we forget to close the file, it will throws. In case this case it will does not displays any error, but some cases it will throws an error. Okay, after writing the file we should close the file, otherwise it will not be executed. Then if you want to add something again inside the file, all is well, Control S, dot close off. Okay, but now we have our new content, but our existing content has vanished somewhere else. Okay, to avoid this, we should go for the append of mode. Okay, that means the mode A. you want to add if you want an new data to within next to our existing data, we should go for the append of function. Then I'm going to add some more contents, different content. /n means the next line. Good morning. Okay, and then close the file, save it, run the file. It's executed successfully. Then I'm going to open it. See, the new content has added to our existing content. Okay, this is the way we are going to add our existing content. If you want to add a new content to the file, simply we can use the write off mode. But we want to add a new content when existing content, we should go for the append of mode. Otherwise the existing data will be removed from the file, only the new data will come. Okay, to avoid this we should use the append of mode. Then the read of files, read of mode only used to read the file content. We can't change anything inside the file, only we can read the file. That I'll check. I am going to open file name .txt, simply I am going to read the file, then store it into the variable file object equal to file object dot read off. To apply the read mode, no need to close the file, simply we are going to read the files. So I didn't take the close off function, then run the file, it's executed successfully. Then I am going to read the file. I won't change anything inside the file, simply I am going to see what's the content present inside the file. Okay, okay friends, that's it with the video today. We will see the read lines and read lines of functions in the upcoming videos along with the file pointer. Okay friends, if you like this video, just hit the like button and share with your friends also. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.